Class 10 Mathematics Quadratic Equation in one variable. Exercise 3. Today I will start your exercise 3. The first question, that is, solve the following quadratic equation by completing the square method. So I will start your first question. That is your first question. So how can I start this? So it is 2x square plus x and minus 4 equal to 0. First of all, it is divided by 2. So we get x square plus 1 by 2 of x and minus 2 equal to 0. Now complete the perfect square. So x square plus 2 into 1 by 2, it is 1 by 4. So it becomes 1 by 2 into x and plus 1 by 4 whole square is equal to 2 is shifted here and adding 1 plus 1 by 4 whole square. So what will be happen? It is x plus 1 by 4 whole square and is equal to, it is 2 plus 1 by 16. So we get x plus 1 by 4 whole square is equal to, it is 2 plus 1 upon 16. Taking their LCM, it is x plus 1 by 4 of whole square, that is 16, and here is 32 plus 1. It becomes 33. So x plus 1 by 4 of x square is equal to 33 by 16. So we get x plus 1 by 4 is equal to, it is plus minus under root of 33 by 16. So we get x is equal to 1 by 4 shifted to right hand side. So we get minus 1 by 4 plus minus under root of 33 upon 4. So you can take the LCM or you can say it is your answers. Now come to the second question. That is your second question. Find the solution of under root 7 plus under root 7 plus under root 7 plus under root 7 up to infinity. How can solve to this problem? So first of all, let x is equal to under root of 7 plus under root of 7 plus under root of 7 plus up to infinity. So what will be happen? We can write easily like this. X is equal to under root of 7 plus x. Now squaring on both sides, so we get x square is equal to 7 plus x. It is now shifted to 7 plus x, it becomes minus. So x square minus x minus 7 equal to 0. Now what will be happen? So it's your equation. Now comparing to this equation, and our equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Comparing the both equation first and second, so we get a is equal to 1, b is equal to -1, and c is equal to -7. Now we have formula for this. For x, so formula is x is equal to minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac and divided by twice of a. Now put the values of a, b and c. So x is equal to, b is -1, so minus minus plus 1 plus minus under root of -1 whole square minus 4a is 1 and c is -7 upon twice of a, so you can say 2 into 1. So it becomes 1 plus minus under root of, it is 1, and minus plus 7 4 jar 28, so you can write 28 and divided by 2. So it is 1 plus minus under root of 29 and divided by 2. So how can write this one? So x is equal to 1 plus minus under root of 29 and divided by 2. That is your answer. Now come to the next questions. Other questions that will third is for your homework. This third one is your homework, so you can do at home this third question. Now come to the fourth question. This one is fourth question. The product of two consecutive natural number is 20. So let the number be x and x plus. Let the number x and x plus 1. So according to question, to product of 2, so x into x plus 1 is equal to, it is given as 20. So we can write x square multiply inside plus x and transfer to left hand side 20, so minus 20 is equal to 0. Now do the factor of this one. So x square plus 5x, it is 5 4 ja 20, so 5x minus 4x minus 20 equal to 0. So x as a common, so x plus 5 and minus 4 as a common, it is 4 not 4 as a common. 4 as a common, so we get x plus 5 is equal to 0. That means our factor is x plus 5 and x minus 4 equal to 0. So take x minus 4 is equal to 0. x equal to 4. So number B, x is equal to 4. We get x equal to 4 and x plus 1 is equal to 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. So number are 4 and 5. That is your answer. Now you can do the fifth question. What happened in fifth question? Find the two numbers whose sum is this and the product is this. So you can do at home. It is very easy to do this question. This question you can do at home. Now come to the next. This one, question number 6. Now come to the question number 6. The sixth question is, area of right angle triangle is 165 square meter. If the height of right triangle is 7 centimeter more than base, means height इसकी more है 7 centimeter and area is given as 165. So how can solve this? चलिए देखते हैं कैसे solve होगा ये. Let the base be x and height x plus 7. So area of triangle is equal to half base into height. Area of triangle is given as 165 and half of base, that is x, and height is x plus 7. So what will be happen? 2 5 are 10 and 2 6 are 12 and 1 13, 2 1 are 2 and 1, that is 313 is equal to x square plus 7x. So we can write on next page this one. So it becomes 330 is equal to x square and plus 7 of x. So x square minus plus 7 of x and minus 330 is equal to. So first of all you can do the factors. How can do the factors? Suppose 330. First of all it is divided by 3. So 110. Now it is 11. So it becomes 10. So now 2. So 5. And here is 5. So becomes 1. हमें 7 फाइंड करना है इसकी हेल्प से. So how can find? So 11 2 are 22. So 22 minus 5 3 are 15. So we can find this 7. Now come to the x square and plus 22 of x and minus 15 of x minus 330 equal to 0. Now taking x as a common, so x plus 22. Now minus 15 as a common, so we get x plus 22 equal to 0. Now first of all x plus 22, and here is x minus 15 equal to 0. Now taking this one, so x minus 15 equal to 0, so x is equal to, now come to the next page, x is equal to x is equal to 15. So length and base बताना है, base is equal to 15 and height is equal to 15 plus 7, that is 22. That is your answer. इतने सेंटीमीटर. You can do very well. Now come to the next one. Now this seventh question. So how can solve to this seventh question? This is your seventh question. Perimeter and area of a floor bed are 76 meters and 357 square meter respectively. Find the length and breadth of the bed. How can find length and breadth? Area and perimeter. Area is 76 and perimeter is 357. How can solve this? So first of all, let the length be x and y. So you can say let the length be x and y. So according to perimeter and area, perimeter is given as 6. So perimeter is x plus y into 2 is equal to 76. So it is x plus y is equal to 76 divided by 2. So it becomes 2 3 is 6 and 2 8 is 16. So here is x plus y is equal to 38, and you can say y is equal to 38 minus of x. So you have y is equal to 38 minus x. Now come to the area. Area is given as 357. एरिया इज गिवन 357. सो एरिया पे भी वर्क करेंगे हम. एरिया दैट इज द एक्स इंटू वाई. सो इट इज गिवन एज 357. पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ वाई. वाई इज 38 माइनस एक्स. सो एक्स 38 माइनस एक्स इज इक्वल टू 357. So multiply inside, it is 338 of x minus x square is equal to 357. Now transfer to the right hand side to all this left hand side. So x square minus of 38x and plus 357 equal to 0. Now you can do all this question, do the factor and get the answers. इसके फैक्टर करने हैं और आंसर निकालना है आपको. इट इज योर क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन, और क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन सॉल्व करने के आपके पास कई सारे मेथड्स हैं. सो यू कैन डू इजली. हाउ कैन डू? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी कैन चेक हियर. 357 divided by 7, तो 7 5 जा and 7 3 and ये 17. So it is 28 and it is 21 and 17. So 21 plus 17, that is 38. So you can do the factor this one. So it becomes x square minus of 21 of x and minus 17 of x plus 357 equal to 0. So what will be happen in this question? First of all, now come to the factorization. इन दोनों में से x कॉमन आना है और यहाँ से 17 कॉमन आना है विद माइनस साइन. सो वी विल सी once again. So x as a common, so we get x minus 21 and minus 17 is common, so we get x minus 21 equal to 0. So x minus 21 in one bracket, so x minus 17 is equal to 0. So take one bracket, anyone, so you can choose anyone. I will choose only this one. So x minus 17 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 17. Okay, so you can find the y. Y is equal to how much? 38 minus 17, and that is 21. So both are your answer. You can see in this मीटर. यूनिट भी आपको लिखनी बहुत ज़रूरी है, विदाउट यूनिट आपको मार्क्स नहीं मिलेंगे. सो दैट इज योर आंसर. नाउ यू कैन डू 8th question and it is your homework, so you can do at home. Now come to the 9th question. This 9th question. The sum of present age of a man and his son is 45 years. 5 years ago, product of their ages will 4 times that age of man. इसमें भी लेट करने पड़ेंगे. Let the present age of man. Let the present age of man be x and his son is it is 45 minus x. So you can write x and 45 minus x. So according to the question, what will be happen? 5 years ago means 5 years ago में दोनों की एज लेस हो जाएगी. सो x में से भी 5 लेस हो जाएगा और इधर 45 माइनस x में से भी 5 लेस हो जाएगा. And what will be happen? It is the product is given now come to the that is the 5 years ago product of their ages. 5 years ago product निकालना पहले, तो that is x minus 5, and here is 45 minus x minus 5, which is equal to 4 times of age of man. 4 times age of man. Now it is x minus 5, and it becomes, that is 40 minus x is equal to 4x. So multiply inside, it is 40 of x and minus x square and minus 5 4 ja 20, so 200, and plus 5x equal to 4x. Now come to the 40 and plus 5, so you can write once again, it is 40 of x minus x square minus 200 plus 5 of x minus 4x equal to 0. 4x को हम लेफ्ट हैंड साइड ले आए. So what will be happen in this? As you know, minus x square is only 1, and what about 2x? It is 40x and it is 5x, and this one minus 4x. तो यहाँ से 1x बच जाएगा और ये 40, that is 41 of x, and minus, that is the 200 equal to 0. So you can change the sign. So x square minus 41 of x plus 200 is equal to 0. Now you can do the factor of 200 and get the answer. 200 को जरा करके देखते हैं कितना हो जाएगा. ये 2 से 100 आ जाएगा, फिर आ जाएगा 2 से 50, फिर once again 2, so we get, that is 25, and 5 5 ja. So what will be happen? So you can do this factor, you can do with the help of factor, you can do factor with this help and get your answer. Now 10th is your for your homework, you can do at home. Yes, number question 11. Some students plan a picnic. The budget for the food was rupees 480, but 8 of them failed to go, and thus the cost of food for each member increased by rupees 10. How many attended the picnic? पिकनिक पर कितने बच्चे गए थे वो बताना है हमें. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी वांट टू let the number of students, let the number of student equal to x, and per student money equal to rupees y. So according to question, it is x into y is equal to this one, 480. So we get here the value of y, that is 480 upon x. We will put on next session. मतलब नेक्स्ट आगे आने पे इसको हम पुट करेंगे इस वैल्यू को। अब इसके बाद जो है हमारा इसमें गिवन है बट 8 ऑफ देम फेल, इसमें से 8 फेल हो गए। तो हाउ कैन मेक द इक्वेशन दिस वन? If 8 is failed, that means x minus 8 students number of students, but increase the expenditures and so 10 rupees. So y plus 10 is equal to how much? Money is 480. Money इतनी रहनी है, 480 ही रहनी है. Now do the multiplication inside. It is x into y plus of 10x minus of 8y and minus 80 is equal to 480. The value of xy, that is the 480 plus 10 of x minus 8y is given as 480 upon x and is equal to 480 and plus 80. 480 will be cancelled out to each other, and now 110 is also cancelled out. So 10 here, 10 is here, and 10 is here. So we get what happened? So we get here x square, taking the LCM, x square minus, so multiply to this we get 384 and is equal to, that is the 8 of x. Now transfer to left hand side. I've given x square minus 8 of x and minus 384 equal to 0. Now do the factor of this one. इसके factor करने हैं आपको, मैं factor करके दिखा रहा हूँ. Factor is 24 and 16. So you can do this factor. The factor is, that is x square minus 24 of x and plus 16 of x and minus 384 equal to 0. You can do this type factor taking x as a common, so x minus 24 and plus 16 as a common, so x minus 24 equal to 0. So x minus 24 and x plus 16 equal to 0. So we can take this one, it gives negative answer. So x minus 24 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 24. So number of attended students. So number of attended student is equal to 24 minus, कितने लेफ्ट हो गए थे? 8 स्टूडेंट्स लेफ्ट हो गए थे इसमें. सो वी गेट इट इज 16 एंड दैट इज योर आंसर. सो यू कैन डू वेरी वेल दिस क्वेश्चन और इजली हो जाएगा आपसे. एंड 12 क्वेश्चन फॉर योर होमवर्क. सो ये क्वेश्चन आपको होमवर्क करना है. इट इज़ योर होमवर्क. आई थिंक कि ये एक्सरसाइज भी समाप्त हो रही है. अब इसमें अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम रहे तो आप लोग पूछ सकते हैं. यू कैन आस्क एनी वन ऑफ द क्वेश्चन. इफ यू डू नॉट सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन तो मैं आज यहीं छोड़ूंगा और मेरे वीडियो को जो है लाइक करेंगे, शेयर करेंगे और सब्सक्राइब भी करेंगे. थैंक यू एंड हैव अ नाइस डे.